Documents required for the UK student visa. Number 1. A valid passport. Number 2. Evidence of financial support, €1,334 per month for up to 9 months in London and €1,023 per month for up to 9 months for courses in other cities of the UK. A valid academic technology approval scheme that is ATAS certificate based on the nationality and course. Number 2. Tuberculosis test result. Students below 18 years of age need to submit written consent from their parents or legal guardians, or one parent if they have sole responsibility. This letter must include the consent for number 1. Visa application, number 2. Living and care arrangements in the UK, number 3. Travel to the UK, number 4. Need to provide a copy of your birth certificate or another government-issued document that shows your parents' names. For more information and updates, subscribe to our channel.